TFNN. Headline News Update.
Brian, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 12 noon Eastern time, middle of the trading day. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices lower, but definitely off the lows of the session. Dow Jones negative by 20 points, trading at 25,364. S&P's negative by 4 points, trading at 2746, and NASDAQ, the laggard, down 25 points, or more than 0.3%, trading at 7137. We'll start things off. Let's take a look at the VIX. Finally had a little bit of negative action in the market, caused a spike in the VIX up to 1085, but as this market has rebounded, the VIX pulling back 1020 on that VIX. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. So as you can see, at about 9:50 a.m. this morning, looks like the low of the S&P down 2736. We are 11 points off that low. Quite a move higher in the S&P 500. We'll see where that shakes out. Oh, what were we just looking at? That was the NASDAQ. Was that the NASDAQ? Nope. No, that was the S&P. Okay, I had it up there twice. So yeah, 11 points off the low, S&P 500, currently trading 2747. Dow 30, similar action, rebounding. We were down over 100 at one point in the Dow, currently down only about 20 points, 25,339. Crude oil, we had inventories at 1030. There's the 1030 bar. You see a little bit of volatility. And on those numbers, we had a decline, a fall of 4.9 million barrels for the week to January 5th, compared with an expectation of a fall of 3.9 million barrels. Now, of course, with the API last night, which reported an 11 million barrel crude draw, a little bit of volatility, but kind of right where we shaked out, right where we were before those numbers. Gold pulling back a bit from the highs, 1317, and we'll end it on Bitcoin. Check out that run. 13.6 at 9:40 a.m., up to 14.6 an hour later. Quite a run. Stay tuned. Our man Basil Chapman coming up right now. And of course, Dave White, Steve Rhodes, Tom O'Brien this afternoon. I'll talk to you next hour. Thanks so much, folks. Have a great day.